Alright guys, this is just an unboxing of the Elegoo for the Centauri carbon. This is their all-in-one bundle. These are just the accessories that come with it. I did pick up an extra set of the extruder gears as well. As you can see, go ahead and take it out the package. And you can see these right here. Just for a little bit more hardened. Just to print tougher materials. And then we have the Pro Kit that comes with it, which includes the plates, anti-vibration, a roll of filament, glue sticks, and an extra hot end. And then they also include you with the 1 kilogram of filament. This is PLA carbon fiber, both rolls are. And then this is just an extra order of the 250 gram like sample rolls. So do these first. So here's just the filament. See it on the side right there. Flip it up. It's PLA carbon fiber. This one I already pre-opened, but as you can see, just open it up like this. It is shrink wrapped with the desiccant packets in there. As you can see, will not be opening this until I actually get ready to actually print. And I opened up the other roll as well. Here's the other roll. Go ahead, cross right here. Sheesh. Same thing for this one. Get the sides. Check this on the side, same thing, just PLA, carbon fiber. And there you go. Set these back over here. And then I will open this one last since I already have these sample filaments. As you can see right here, these are the 250 gram ones. They are wrapped and everything. And these are, I think, these are PETG. No, actually, let me make sure. Just make sure. But yes, I believe it's just PETG filaments. So as you can see, it's different colors. You have an orange. You have this, you have your yellow. This one's losing suction. And the next one, next row, is right here. Yes, it is actually PETG. It says when cut open, I have to dry it. But yeah, same thing, so it's PETG, PETG. And then so 250 grams. This is the transparent color, as you can see. And the next one, this is just a gray. And the next layer, then you have a red. Next one, it's just blue. It's 250 grams, just samples, so it's not like a 1 kilogram or an up roll. But for this one, then just give you black as well. And then for the last roll, it's just white. Put these back. And you can open up the accessory kit. It comes with the extra plates and everything else. is 8 spools in total. PETG. Then we have this one, the Centauri Carbon Pro Kit. This is going to be a fresh unboxing, so go ahead and open that one as well. As you can see, right here, it's the top plate. So they got the foam just protecting, and then you have all of your plates right here. So take them out all as one. Let's see, let me get them out. Just show what they look like. So you have your standard one. You can flip it over. It has the flat side as well as the texture side on this one. Then we have this one as well. I'm not too sure this one has a flat side as well, but I know this one is the one with the texture background. So it has kind of like the hologram effect when you see it like that. And it prints it kind of like a reflective way as well. And then you just have this one, it's a standard one on the back, textured, and then it's carbon fiber on this side to give it a carbon fiber texture feel. Then also, what was included is you get a roll of PLA filament. So it's just regular PLA, not the carbon fiber, just your standard one. Here you have your glue stick pack, 2 pieces. And as well, here's all of your hot ends. Let's go ahead and swap. This one is a 0.4, as well as some hardware. And then you have all of your anti-vibration heats. These right here, these go on the bottom. As you can see, help a little bit with just vibration from the machine. You can pull this out. I believe that's everything. So this was just a unboxing of just all the accessories that's included in the all-in-one bundle. See, this comes with as well as the carbon fiber. I mean, not the carbon fiber, but just the as well as just the sample filaments that they sell as well. Get that back since it's sticking up too much. And here are all the plates again. You can see carbon fiber, textured one, and another standard one as well. Let's put it back rougher right now. And yes, put everything back just to show it again. This is the filament that you get. And then this was the extra set of gears that I got as well. And then the 8 rolls of filament. And that is just everything that is included in the all-in-one bundle for the Centauri Carbon #1, not the second one. And then that's basically it. So thank you for watching.